Alright, welcome back to Algodecathlon. Fudge. So, we are back with these beautiful contestants. What? Alright, go. So we have purple, pink, cyan, green, sky, olive, lavender, red, purple. Okay, we have everyone else. I don't judge where they go, so yeah. I have just pressing buttons like this, or this, or this. Because why would I do that? I would be a hacker. I am not new. By the way, someday I need a live stream. I just randomly said that. Anyways, continue the challenge without music. Oh, I forgot that you made it, Magenta. Hey! Alright, Magenta. Don't leave me out next time, okay? Okay. Next time I'm gonna leave her out. I heard that. Gray. Red. Orange. White. Pink. Cyan. Green. Sky. Olive. Lavender. Red. Purple. Magenta. Gray. Maroon. Orange and brown. Yellow and lime. Blue and navy and tan. Okay, we have everyone. No, we don't. Don't need ads in our existence, boy. So, we have no females left, basically, because all the females made it. Tan! No! Oh yeah, Sky already got first place in Season 1. Season 2 is still going, and Season 3 is gonna be private. For now. Once whenever Season 2 is over. Only 7 of you left, and we're only on part 3. Let's have to go. We only have 18 contestants. I should have removed, like, I don't know, like, I have no idea. Davey, what are you doing with your life? Look who's finally not gonna be eliminated first! Again! Like Algodecathlon Season 2. I need to stop doing stuff like with different accounts. But whatever. That's not known right now. All we need to know. I'll get your stuff on. By the way, does anyone like my new profile picture that may come soon? I feel like a rag bag right now. I think I'm starting to get a cold. So yeah, that's fun. I really don't feel like doing this right now. Oh yeah. Sorry about like what happened with Danganronpa colors. Or whatever happened. I haven't been in the mood lately to do it. It's been 2 weeks though. Oh yeah, Fire Spinner is almost a month old, so yeah, congrats to that. Oh yeah, guys. Algodecathlon soon on May 11th is gonna be a year old. So I'm gonna be doing a celebration. Like whatever. April is over. Like that cool transition. See, I can move it like this, that, all around. It's fun. Speaking of fun, do you know what's also fun? Not that. I'm about to play some music. Mining away. I'm just joking. Mine diamonds. I'm just joking. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Give me a cookie. Well, this video's technically getting long. So yeah, do you know what that means? I'm gonna end it here. And these 4 are gonna be anonymous. What will happen in part 3? Well, part 4. Find out. Possibly tomorrow. Or whatever. Bye.